In this video, let us see how a Java code gets executed under the hood, Java code execution. Now there are basically two steps involved here. First is the compilation step. And second one is execution. Now let us first understand the compilation phase. Now in the compilation phase, we use Java compiler. So we use Java compiler in order to compile our code that we write. So our Java code that is written in Java, we feed that to the compiler and we get the code in a different format known as Java Bytecode. Now to compile our code, we make use of the javac command followed by the name of the Java file along with the .java extension. So for compilation of our hello world Java file, in the previous video we ran the command javac hello world.java. And after running this command, it compiles our Java code into bytecode, which has .class extension. So our Java code had extension .java and our Java bytecode has an extension of .class. So let me show you this. Now as we know that our bytecode has an extension .class, so this is our bytecode hello world.class. And you can see it says the file is not displayed in the editor because it is in binary format. So let us open it anyway. And this is our Java bytecode that we get after the compilation step. So this is the bytecode representation of our hello world.java file. Now this bytecode that we have in our hello world.class file, this bytecode is platform independent, and this I had earlier mentioned in the introductory video. Now this means that the bytecode can run on any machine that has a Java Runtime Environment. So if we have a Windows machine, a Linux machine, and macOS machine, and all these three machines, if they have the Java Runtime Environment, then irrespective of the platform, this Java bytecode can be made to run on each of these three machines. Now this Java Runtime Environment has a software component called as Java Virtual Machine. So Java Virtual Machine. Now let us understand the role of JVM or Java Virtual Machine. Now this Java Virtual Machine takes in your bytecode, so Java bytecode, which is in .class format. So we feed this to the Java Virtual Machine, which is present within the JRE, and this Java Virtual Machine takes in your bytecode and transforms it to native code for the underlying operating system. So you get the native code. So this entire architecture is solely the reason why Java applications are portable and platform independent. So in essence, we can write our Java applications on a Windows machine and execute it on any platform that has the Java Runtime Environment installed into it. Now to run our bytecode, we have the Java command followed by the name of the file. So Java and the name of the file, which is hello world. And when we ran this command, we got the final output hello world in our terminal. And this we already discussed in the video where we wrote our simple hello world program. So this command will find the hello world.class file, will load the bytecode and transform it into native code that the underlying machine can understand. So this was all I wanted to cover in this video. In the next video, let us start learning about the basics of the Java language. So let's catch up in the next one.